Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. So the holiday season is upon us and I feel like it just kind of snuck up because I've been so busy lately that I've just kind of lost track of time, and here we are. So I thought I would share some really pretty dresses with you today in an Adrianna Papell dress haul. I have shared her dresses before and they are perfect for weddings or holiday parties, New Year's, or if you just want to feel super glamorous. So these are all super sparkly, super pretty, perfect for the holidays, and I think that you guys will really love them. So I hope you enjoy the video. So this is the first one. But before we get started, let me just say, please excuse my disaster over there. I'm still doing my closet clean out and oh my gosh, it's just taking forever. And then also, I should probably share my sizing information. So I am usually a size US 2, 4, or extra small, small. All of these are Adrianna Papell, and for her dresses, I usually go for a 4 just because some of them can be more fitted in the hips, and a 4 is always a safe bet for me. So I got all of these in a 4. I'm also 4'11", so I'm really, really short. And I did not get these in a petite size, so just keep that in mind. For some of the dresses, they do have petite sizes, but not for all of them. Okay, so let's get started with this one. It's so pretty and so sparkly, and oh my gosh, I just feel like, I don't know. It's like shimmer from head to toe, my dream. It is so unbelievably gorgeous. The whole thing has sequins. There's like silver, rose gold, and gold, so it's kind of like a mix, but the dress as a whole looks like rose gold or kind of like a light gold color. I really love the sleeve length. I think that that's really nice, especially for the winter time and for like the holiday season, just because when I go somewhere and I have a jacket and then I have to take it off, if I have something that's a little bit shorter, I do tend to get cold. So this is perfect for me. And I know I won't get warm because I have some of my arm exposed. So this has a really nice flattering neckline, and then it is fitted in the bust, and it kind of goes down and just skims over the hips. It does have some stretch to it, and even though I did get a 4, I probably could have sized down just because the waist is a little bit big, but it's not a deal breaker or anything. It still looks really nice, and I really just like the fit overall. I think it's super flattering, and this is definitely a showstopper. It's very classy, it's very ladylike, and even though it is like super sparkly, it is still like very sophisticated and elegant, and it's done in a really beautiful way. And all of Adrianna Papell's dresses are so well made. They are super high quality, and you can definitely tell the difference between her dresses and someone else's that might be similar. They're very, very pretty, and you can wear them for so many different occasions. Like I would wear this one probably to a holiday party or even to New Year's Eve, or you could even wear it to a wedding or another special occasion, or if you were just a fan of lounging around the house in sequins, then you could do that too. But overall, it's a really, really pretty dress, and I'm in love with it. Here is the next one. It is so pretty. I seriously feel like a goddess or a Hollywood star. It is so, so pretty. So this one has gray tulle, and it's a really pretty light gray color. And then there's beading and embroidery all throughout the dress. There's a lot of work right here in the waist to really accentuate it, and it's very, very flattering. It has these really pretty flutter sleeves with embroidery and beading on it. There's some sequins, so it has sparkle, but it's not like overwhelming. So this would be perfect if you are going for something that definitely steals the show, but it's still understated and classy at the same time. It's not like a disco ball or anything. It has a flattering V-neck and then it just skims the hips, and at the bottom it kind of goes out in a slight mermaid shape, so it is really, really, really special. This dress is absolutely stunning. And I got my normal size in it and it fits perfect. I think this would be perfect for a really fancy holiday party or even New Year's Eve or a wedding. I mean, there's so many places that you can wear this gorgeous dress. I just love it. Next, I have this beauty, and I feel like this is the essential New Year's Eve dress. It is so pretty, so flattering, so comfortable. I just love all the sparkle. It's so, so pretty. And the color is actually quite a bit darker than what I would normally go for. This is like a gunmetal gray with some silver sequins all over the dress, but I really, really love it. And it's kind of like rocker chic. I think it's so stunning. And if you didn't know, I play guitar and I taught for a really long time, so this is totally up my alley. I do have a rocker side and I feel like this kind of fits that need. I feel like you could wear it as is, or you could wear it with some tights and it would look so chic. This is super well made. It fits like a glove, and I think that it would be so perfect for a holiday party or for New Year's Eve especially. The only thing about this one is that the waist is a bit too big for me. I did get my normal size 4, which is what I normally get in Adrianna Papell, and it's just a little bit too big, but that's okay because it fits my hips, so that's all that matters. And I've learned that since my hips are larger than my waist, sometimes that just happens, but you could always belt it or just leave it as is. I don't think it looks bad at all, but yeah. So cute. And here is the last one. This one is like va boom. So I covered it with the jacket. So it is actually, it just has spaghetti straps, and sorry, I didn't put on a strapless bra. But you can kind of see what it looks like, and it has a really pretty open front, and then, you know, on this side as well. It is so, so pretty. It's kind of got like a glamorous 1920s style. I feel like this design is very Art Deco. It is so, so pretty. I'm obsessed with all of the beadwork and the design and all the sequins, and it's so sparkly and beautiful. So this one is very fitted in the bust, in the waist, and then in the hips. And it goes all the way down and kind of has like a little mermaid ruffle at the bottom. It's so pretty, so sparkly. I feel like this one would also be an ideal New Year's Eve dress just because of the design and how sparkly it is, and just the glamour and just the dress overall. It is so, so, so pretty. This one is actually really comfortable for how fitted it is, and I did get my normal size in this one, and I think that it fits like a glove. It even fits my waist really well, and it fits my hips, which you don't see very often when you're 2 different sizes on top and bottom. So this dress is definitely a winner in my book, and I just feel like I could dance the night away, and I feel like such a 1920s goddess. So, so pretty. And here's what it looks like on its own. So to be honest, I usually don't go for dresses or items of clothing that show my arms because yeah, I need to work out. But this dress makes me feel like a bombshell. It makes me feel so beautiful and so pretty, and it's a very elegant dress. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you loved this video, and I hope you loved all of these gorgeous dresses. I would love to know which one your favorite is. I don't know if I have a favorite because they're all so beautiful and sparkly and glamorous, so don't make me choose. But really, I love them all. If you liked this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I hope that you will consider subscribing. For even more curly content, make sure you check out my blog, LIZZIEINLACE.com, and my pretty pink Instagram at LIZZIEINLACE. I will see you guys later. Bye!